Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to fix out SSL issues in your WordPress website by installing a plugin. Just you need to go and type wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. Now scroll down, make sure that you have installed SSL in your WordPress website. After installing SSL, you need to check these URLs. Make sure that HTTPS, and after that you need to wait for some time, 0 to 24 hours for the proper SSL installation. After that you need to go and install a plugin. You can search for SSL Insecure Content Fixer. So this is the plugin that you need to install, but before that you need to install one more plugin, really simple SSL. So you can install this plugin, 3 million plus active installations. After that activate the plugin. So after installing this plugin, just you need to go and complete basic settings. After that click activate SSL. So still if you are getting error, then you need to go back and search for SSL Insecure Content Fixer. You need to install this plugin. Here you can check the plugin ratings. Click activate button. After installation, click on settings. So make sure that you have selected one of the option. Not select this option, turn off, it will not work. Scroll down. So make sure that you should try this one, so that your website should not break down. So after that scroll down, just you need to go and click on save changes. Also you can search for one more thing, how to add SSL HTTPS code in htaccess. So this one is the code. Just you need to find out your htaccess file in the file manager, and after that you can add this code in that file. So these are the possible ways to find out and solve your SSL issues. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.